There's something magnetic about certain zodiac pairings. A spark, a connection that pulls you in with the force of a tidal wave. But what exactly is it that makes some signs irresistible to each other? Why do some people feel an undeniable chemistry, as though the universe itself conspired to bring them together? In this video, we'll uncover the astrological elements that make certain zodiac signs deeply connected on a sexual and intimate level. Prepare to unravel the mysteries behind sexual chemistry and understand why your connection with that special someone feels unavoidable. Let's begin with the basics. Sexual chemistry isn't just about physical attraction, it's about alignment of energies. When two people are in sync, their connection is electric, intense, passionate, and raw. In astrology, sexual chemistry often arises from key placements in your birth chart: the moon, Venus, Mars, and even the ascendant sign. But more than that, it's the way these signs interact, the elements and modalities that work together or create friction. It's all about balance. Take fire signs Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, combined with air signs Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Fire is raw, bold, and eager, while air is intellectual, communicative, and playful. When these two elements come together, there's instant electricity. Fire's intensity sparks air's curiosity, and air's intelligence keeps fire intrigued. You'll find that these pairs can generate a playful, flirtatious energy that is hard to resist. But let's dive deeper. It's not just about the signs, it's about the aspects. When Venus, love and affection, and Mars, sexual energy and drive, align well between two people's charts, the sexual chemistry becomes palpable. It's as if your desires and passions effortlessly mirror each other. This is where destiny meets desire. Now, let's end on a pairing that people often don't expect, but is incredibly powerful: Taurus and Scorpio. Earth and water, both fixed signs. These two are opposites on the zodiac wheel, yet there is something about this polarity that creates a powerful draw. Taurus, ruled by Venus, is sensual and seeks comfort, pleasure, and stability. Scorpio, ruled by Pluto, is intense, transformative, and deeply emotional. Together, they create an unspoken magnetic force. Taurus brings grounding sensuality, while Scorpio delivers raw emotional depth. There's a rawness to their connection that feels like a deep, transformative journey. Then we have Libra and Aries, both cardinal signs, one fire, one air. Aries brings the spark, the challenge, the desire to take charge, while Libra seeks balance, harmony, and connection. Together, they find an irresistible pull. The relationship can feel like an ongoing dance, where each partner's strengths highlight the other's weaknesses, creating an intoxicating dynamic of passion and harmony. But not all chemistry is harmonious, and that's the beauty of the zodiac. Some connections challenge you, make you feel uncomfortable, yet they ignite something deep within. It's those intense, friction-filled relationships that can lead to the most passionate experiences, sometimes burning you in the process. Think of the relationship between Capricorn and Aries. One is grounded, ambitious, and practical. The other is fiery, impulsive, and unafraid of change. The clash of their energies can feel turbulent at times, but there's no denying the attraction. The friction between them makes for an exhilarating electric bond. So when we talk about chemistry, we're not just talking about physical attraction or surface level connections. True, undeniable chemistry is about intimacy. It's about how you make someone feel seen, heard, and understood on a level that goes far beyond words. It's about the emotional and sexual vulnerability that allows your partner to witness your most raw, unguarded self. In astrology, certain signs can help create that space. Water signs Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces are natural empaths, capable of opening up emotionally and bringing their partners into their world of feeling and intuition. When paired with the right partner, say, a grounded earth sign like Virgo or Taurus, the connection can be powerful and deeply intimate. These earth-water pairings foster trust, emotional safety, and ultimately, sexual chemistry that transcends the physical. In the end, it's not just about finding someone who looks good next to you in the cosmos. It's about the deeper magnetic forces at play between your signs. Your astrological chart is a unique map of your desires, passions, and needs. And when those needs align with another's, the chemistry can feel like it was meant to be. It's not just the signs themselves that make a connection irresistible, it's how they interact, complement, and challenge each other. The beauty of the zodiac is that it's never the same. Every person's connection with another will be unique, and in these connections lies the deepest form of intimacy and sexual chemistry. So, whether it's a fiery spark or a deep emotional dive, the stars have a way of guiding us to the people who bring out the most irresistible parts of ourselves. Now that we've unlocked the secrets of sexual chemistry through the zodiac, which pairings do you feel the most connected to? Do you have that undeniable pull with someone? Let me know in the comments below. Let's explore the magnetic forces of the stars together. If you felt that magnetic pull with someone before, drop a comment below. And if you want more deep dives into the hidden forces of astrology, make sure you're here for the next one.